You've definitely seen them. Those slick, paper-cut documentary explainers, the kind Vox pumps out that rack up millions of views. The visuals feel alive, stories unfold with every frame, and people can't stop watching. So I dug into YouTube to see if anyone had a clear guide on how to do this with free tools. And what did I find? Overcomplicated tutorials that throw you into code, or software that costs a kidney every single month. Nothing for the absolute beginner. So I spent weeks testing, piecing together a workflow, and I landed on a method that lets you create high-quality VOX-style animations completely free. No paid subscriptions, no complicated code, and I'm going to walk you through every single step, from idea to final export, using only free AI tools. In fact, here's a short animation I made in about 8 minutes with this exact strategy. 2009, Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia's new prime minister signs the papers to launch a $1 billion state investment fund to boost the country's economy. He names it 1MDB. Najib Razak chairs its advisory board with sole sign-off power. Within a few years, billions of dollars begin moving through shell companies into private hands. Wall Street bank Goldman Sachs had raised much of that money in bond sales. A financier named Joe Low sits at the center of the scheme. The money buys... All right, let's break this down so you can build your own. The very first thing you need is the master prompt document. It's the engine that automates the whole creative process, generating scripts, image prompts, video instructions, everything. You'll find it in the description. Grab it because we'll use it right now. Next, you need a chatbot that can handle long, structured conversations. For completely free users, I recommend DeepSeek. It's a Chinese-launched model, no paywalls, works just like ChatGPT. My personal favorite is Claude and ChatGPT. All three work perfectly with the master prompts. I'll use Claude today, but you can follow along with DeepSeek or ChatGPT the exact same way. Now open the master prompt doc, hit Ctrl-A to highlight everything, copy it, paste it into Claude, and send. The chatbot thinks for a moment, then asks for the source PDF. That's our content engine. You can also find this in the description. Go ahead and download the whole 8-page PDF, drag it into Claude's chat box, and type engine attached. Now it moves into stage 1, which is choosing a niche. Claude asks what niche I want. History, money and power, disaster, documentary, tech, sports. Vox mostly orbits around documentary-style crime and history, but for this tutorial, I will be going with option 3, money and power. You can also type any custom niche of your choice. The model will still work. It then spits out 10 specific video ideas for that niche. I'll scroll through. I think I like number 4, so I'll be going with that. That sounds fascinating. I copy that, paste it back, and send. Now Claude asks how long I want the script. Now, for a good long-form video monetization, 8 to 20 minutes is the sweet spot. But for this walkthrough, I'll say 1 minute just to move quickly. You choose whatever fits your project. Claude delivers a tight, precise script with a word count. Instead of generating the voiceover right away, just type next. So the chatbot converts the script into visual beats, each a snapshot of what's happening on screen. With that done, hit next again, and Claude builds a text file containing detailed image prompts for every single beat. Now download that text file. After that, head to Google Flow, a free Google-powered platform. Create a new project. With that done, let's generate the images. Now, to batch generate images automatically, we'll use a free Chrome extension called ZappyFlow. Download it, make sure it's connected, then turn off Include Serial Number and File Name. Then upload the .txt file and hit Start Generating. The extension fires off all our image prompts one by one and saves every image straight to your computer. Thanks to this extension for saving us the manual work. After a few minutes, every single frame now matches that paper-cut Vox style. Clean, consistent, and completely free. With that done, now head back in Claude and type Next to get the video generation prompt. It defaults to 10 seconds, but longer duration costs more credits, so I ask Claude to change the duration to 5 seconds. Then I'll copy the new prompt. Head back to Google Flow, switch to the video model, OmniFlash, then set duration to 6 seconds. After that, add the first generated image into the prompt box. Paste its video prompt, send, and Flow generates a subtle, animated clip that feels like a living photograph. As simple as that, you've got the Vox-style process. Now repeat this. Drag next image, paste the prompt, and send. Each one takes a few seconds. Because the prompt is universal, it works on every image. When you are done with this process, go ahead and generate your voiceover. Here are some free voiceover models you can check out. Microsoft Clipchamp, a video editor with a built-in AI voice generator, no caps. CapCut TTS, over 200 voices inside CapCut, desktop or mobile, also unlimited. Noise AI, web-based, gives 2,000 free credits daily. Quality is okay, but not my top pick. And for my top 3, with the best, most natural voices that YouTube actually likes for monetization, I suggest you go for either DupeDub, Google AI Studio, or ElevenLabs.
Now let's bring everything together in CapCut. The editing process here is very simple. Bring in all your video clips, voiceover first on the timeline, then increase its volume slightly. Then add all your animated clips in the order in which they were generated and match them to what is being said in the voiceover. With that done, drop in your background music and make sure to reduce its volume slightly. If you don't have one, just go to Pixabay and search for a good music track, or use Suno AI to generate one. After that, add subtle transitions between clips. Slide transitions work really well with this style, but try to mix in a few camera whip transitions to avoid repetition. With that done, the editing for this style is complete. Preview everything, and when it's perfect, export at 1080p, matching the clip resolution. And that's it! A complete VOX-style documentary animation built from scratch with zero paid software.
2009,
Let's watch the final piece.
Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia's new Prime Minister signs the papers to launch a $1 billion state investment fund to boost the country's economy. He names it 1MDB. Najib Razak chairs its advisory board with sole sign-off power. Within a few years, billions of dollars begin moving through shell companies into private hands. Wall Street bank Goldman Sachs had raised much of that money in bond sales. A financier named Joe Low sits at the center of the scheme. The money buys a super yacht, a private jet, paintings by Van Gogh and Monet, and even the film rights behind The Wolf of Wall Street. In 2015, leaked documents trace $681 million into Najib's own bank account. He calls it a donation. The U.S. Department of Justice calls it the largest kleptocracy case in its history. Najib is convicted and sent to prison. Joe Low has never faced a courtroom. He has never been found. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe so the algorithm can push this workflow to more creators. I'll see you in the next one.